Why, hello, everybody. Welcome to week 4 here in Correctional Systems. I have a really brief weekly update, so let me get out of the way and we'll talk about what we've got going on this week. So this week we're going to be looking at Chapter 3 on Community Corrections, which includes diversion and probation. Be sure to read the chapter in the book, watch the video, take the all-important quiz, preferably making a 100 on it, but you have to make at least a 70 to move on to the next chapter. Everybody's been doing a good job of that so far this semester, so that is really great. Again, if you make a 70 on any of the quizzes, go back and retake them until you make 100. Your score cannot go down, it can only go up. And some of these quiz questions are going to be on the exam, which will be coming up in next week. Also this week, you're going to have to make your original post to discussion number 3. Remember to have both all of your exam review terms and what you find most interesting about the chapter. And then finally, we have the follow-up post for Chapter 2's discussion. Y'all did really well on Chapter 1 follow-up post. All but 2 students got 100%. I did have 2 that didn't do the follow-up post and 1 that didn't even tell us what was the most interesting in the class, so they lost points. So make sure you do that, because these are fairly easy points, and the real key is it will help you on the exam, and that's kind of the whole purpose of the discussion is an ongoing exam review. It has definitely helped the exam scores in the online classes since I started about 3 years ago, so please keep that in mind. The only other thing I have for you today is just a reminder that your research paper is due in about 20 days from when I'm recording this video, so you don't have a whole lot of time. You should have completed your interview by now, and I'd asked last week for you to send me an email telling me you were interviewed. I did not get that many responses. If you didn't send me an email telling me who you're going to interview, do so this week. Just tell me your subject, who you're going to interview, and that's all I'll need from you. Well, that's all I've got for you this week. Y'all have a great week, and I will talk to you again next week. I told you this one was going to be brief, under 3 minutes.